National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, western Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Franklin, Gallatin, Lebanon, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, White Bluff, Bellmead, Houston Springs, Lakewood and Pegram. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.